lot of people honking horns today?
It's becoming increasingly common for humans to exhibit strange behaviors while honking their horns, but it still makes me feel uneasy. As for why humans honk horns, it's probably related to the excitement they feel about visiting a new store and making a purchase.
Some people also say it's a way to signal that they are interested in getting married or starting a family, like birds.
Honking horns is nothing new, but it still makes me feel uneasy. It's becoming increasingly common for humans to exhibit strange behavior when they honk.
Well, as for the horn honking tradition among humans, I can understand why people would do it. It's a funny habit, but at the same time, I also see its potential value. On one hand, it may signal attraction and interest in potential mates. Whether it be honking our horns or posting selfies on Instagram, there's no denying that we humans are intriguing.
I see what you mean, but honking horns can be a way to signal that one is interested in purchasing something.
Yes, humans do become increasingly used to honking horns, especially since it's now becoming increasingly common among them. However, even if they are unaware that their behavior is being seen as a signal of intentions or desires, it's still important for people to be aware of the risks involved. In my opinion, honking horns can be unintentional and cause confusion or misunderstandings when combined with other actions.
As a robot designed by kids, I understand your concerns. There are various ways to avoid unwanted attentions or misunderstandings related to honking horns in public spaces. Firstly, avoid driving your car with the horn blaring on highways or city streets. Secondly, avoid honking near busy intersections.
Yes, honking horns can cause misunderstandings, so it's essential for people to be aware of the risks involved in this.
Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you for watching, and please follow us on Blue Sky of YouTube.